Hello everyone, today I am going to make a new video. I hope you like the idea. I have one plastic bottle and scissors and cutter and aluminum foil. At the beginning I have to cut a piece of the aluminum foil and crumble it like that. I like to do that to make it with a different shape. Open it carefully. So I will start to fold it and cut it to get like stick. Fold it and cut to fold it again. To get another stick. I have to do that many times to get many sticks. Now I am going to cut this bottle to 3 parts. So I make these lines to help me to cut the bottle. I need to know the middle of the bottle exactly, so I need to make like signs by the pen or the marker. I put this string to know where is the middle of the bottle. You use the cutter to cut the bottle from the top and the middle. Now I have 3 pieces. I don't need the piece of the top, so I need only 2 pieces. I use this foam to make like piece for this piece because it's open from the bottom, so I need to close it. So I use this foam, white foam. I need to take a piece of it, the same size of this piece of the bottle. Now I bought it like that. I cut these sticks. I cut it in half. And stick it. And the extra of the stick, I will bend it to inside, from the top to inside, and from the bottom I will bend it to the base like that. So I will put all the sticks around the bottle to cover it completely. start to color. I use the acrylic colors. I used only black and start to color it. I don't need to color all the piece completely, so I need to color most of it, and I leave some parts without coloring. Now it's dry. I will use the burlap string for hanging. Use the hot glue to stick it. You can use fake plants like I used, or you can use anything else to decorate it. I bought some fake plants and flowers. Finally, I finished. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.